A high-yield checking account to run your everyday life, a brokerage account to build freedom, a Roth IRA to build tax-free retirement wealth, a 529 plan to invest in your children's future, and an HSA to prepare for one of life's biggest expenses while getting incredible tax benefits today. Have you ever noticed some people have 15 different financial accounts while other people quietly build millions using just a handful? Today, I'm going to show you the 5 accounts that you need that I believe most people need to build wealth. And if you understand what each account is supposed to do, your financial life gets a whole lot simpler. I'm Ike, and welcome to ikevest, where we make money make sense. So let's jump right in. Account number 1, the high yield checking account. This account is for your money's front door. Your paycheck comes in and your bills go out. That's it. Too many people leave $10, $20, even $50,000 sitting in an account, earning almost nothing, a savings account. That's like hiring your money and then making it sit on the couch all day watching TV. Your money should always have a job. A high-yield checking account gives you the convenience of paying bills while still earning interest on the cash you haven't spent yet. My rule is simple. Keep about 1 month of expenses here. That's enough to pay bills without worrying, but not so much that your wealth stops growing. Account number 2, the brokerage account. This is where real wealth starts. A brokerage account has one incredible advantage, and that's freedom. There are no age restrictions, no contribution limits, no waiting until retirement. If you decide one day that I want to start a business or I want to retire early, I want to take a year off and travel, this account gives you those options. Now here's the key. Don't treat investing like a game, buying today and then selling next week and checking your account every 5 minutes. That isn't investing, that's entertainment. Instead, buy great investments, keep investing consistently, and let time do the heavy lifting. Remember, the stock market rewards patience far more than intelligence. Account number 3, the Roth IRA. If I could recommend only one retirement account to a young person, this would probably be it. Here's why. You pay taxes on the money today, but once it's inside the account, it grows free of tax. And in retirement, you take the money out tax-free. Imagine planting a tree. Would you rather pay tax on a tiny seed or on the fully grown tree 30 years later? Exactly. That's why young investors usually benefit so much from the Roth IRA. The earlier you start, the longer your money has to grow, and Uncle Sam doesn't get a piece of those gains later. Even if you only invest a little each month, start. Your future will be incredibly thankful. Account number 4, the 529 plan. If you have kids or even grandkids, this account deserves your attention. College is really expensive. Very, very expensive. And every year you wait, that bill gets a little bigger. A 529 plan lets your investments grow tax-free when they're used for qualified education expenses. Think about it this way. When your child is 5, college feels forever away. Then suddenly you're buying dorm furniture, time moves fast. Even small monthly contributions have years to compound. Your future college student may never know how much planning went into it, but they definitely will appreciate graduating with less debt or maybe even none. Account number 5, the health savings account. This might be the most overlooked wealth building account in America, the HSA. If you're eligible for one, it's incredibly powerful. Money goes in before taxes and then it grows tax-free. And when you use it for qualified medical expenses, it comes out tax-free. That's 3 tax advantages all in one account. But here's where most people miss out. They leave the money sitting in cash inside the account. Instead, if you're able to, invest it in the account. Let it grow for years. Medical expenses are almost always guaranteed to be part of retirement. Why not let today's dollars grow into tomorrow's healthcare fund? Your older self will thank you. So there they are, 5 accounts that all people need. A high-yield checking account to run your everyday life, a brokerage account to build freedom, a Roth IRA to build tax-free retirement wealth, a 529 plan to invest in your children's future, and an HSA to prepare for one of life's biggest expenses while getting incredible tax benefits today. Building wealth is not about opening 12 complicated accounts. It's about giving every dollar a purpose and staying consistent for years, because the people who become wealthy usually aren't the ones chasing the next financial trick. They're the ones doing the simple things over and over and over again. If you found this helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe to IkeVest and tell me down in the comments, which one of these 5 accounts do you already have and which one are you opening next? I'll see you in the next video. Right now, would you please click the subscribe button? And now, click here for the next video. Thanks for watching.